everyone, this is Kristen from Ryonet, and today we're going to cover the ideal setup for drying coated screens. Without being properly dried, your screens won't expose correctly, causing unnecessary stress and complications on press. So let's dive in. Let's first talk about proper environment when drying your screens. Wherever you decide to dry them, you first need to make sure you are in a completely light-safe environment in order to keep the integrity of the emulsion. The room also needs to be lint and dust-free. If the lint or dust gets on any of the screens, it can create pinholes in the emulsion, which can cause ink to leak through onto your garment when you start printing. We also suggest having fans and dehumidifiers running in your drying room to help with pulling moisture from the emulsion. Keep in mind that fans and dehumidifiers collect dirt and dust over time, so you're going to want to make sure to go around and clean them regularly. Because of this, we recommend doing a walkthrough of your darkroom every few months to thoroughly clean these components in order to keep your darkroom running efficiently. Finally, you should always keep your drying room around 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit with humidity hovering around 30 to 40%. These settings are optimal for pulling the moisture from the emulsion, allowing it to dry properly. We highly recommend purchasing a hygrometer as it will make the monitoring of your room a lot easier and guarantee the proper environmental parameters. Now, ideally you will want to have some sort of cabinet specifically made for drying screens, like this Ryonet screen room drying cabinet. These help not only with blocking lint and dust from getting stuck on the screens, but also offer better control of temperature and humidity settings, and has a drying time of up to 5 times faster than conventional dryer racks. But if you can't afford a cabinet at this time, you can make your own just as easily. After you dry your emulsion, it should have a moisture content between 30 and 40%. Now I know that sounds specific, and it is, but it's important, and here's why. When your emulsion gets below 30% moisture, it starts to become brittle and breaks apart quicker. But if it's higher than 40%, it starts to get gummy. Neither of these situations are ideal for exposing your screens or for printing. So by following these parameters, drying your screens will be a snap. Thanks so much for watching, and feel free to follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great screen printing videos.